Like all 2-second lean companies, we start our day with a morning meeting. We continue to social distance and mask wear, but it doesn't inhibit often lively discussion. One of the main reasons and purposes for the morning meeting is to continue to learn and grow and improve from other people. And this past week, this guy, Dave Lelonic, has been a huge part of that learning. We've taken a lot from the AME tour of his facility as well as watching some of his videos. As you can see here, we made 3 key improvements this week, increasing our number of morning meetings from 4 to 5, and also put improvement teams in place in key manufacturing areas, as well as starting our first Soji morning. The first improvements that jumped out at me watching the AME RX Sticky tour was the possibility that we could have an emergency in one of the bathrooms, and how would we open the cubicle doors. So we put a solution in place to address that. So Darren has been doing fantastic work in recent weeks in the cable assembly area, and that continued this week with setting up new storage areas and tidying up the appearance and usability of the cell. Working this week on the waste of motion, John Finn noticed that the test equipment for a particular product was stored together but quite a distance from the production line where it's needed. So he put a new shelf in place underneath the test table so that it's quite easily retrieved when it's needed. Jimmy spent most of his improvement time this week focused on tidying up the backyard, and in particular the empty cable reels. Again, concentrating on waste of motion, John Finn noticed that 2 of the hand-assembled components in this product were a distance from the operator, requiring them to reach to place it. So he built a small little table for the components that slides in under the main assembly table, making it very handy, very comfortable for the operator to assemble. Taking improvements from one of Dave Lelonic's videos, Noel labelled up with numbers and colour codes different drill bits in the engineering office. So one of the big changes we introduced this week, and fresh from the RX Sticky AME tour, which is where we learned about it, was to introduce Soji. We're just doing it on a Friday morning at the moment before the morning meeting, and everybody got stuck in.